How do we know the moon landings were real? Ever noticed how the moon glows bright enough to light whole coastlines? Yet in the old astronaut videos, the surface looks dull, dusty, and barely brighter than a parking lot at night. Because here's the puzzle. If the moon is truly reflecting sunlight strong enough to paint silver streaks across oceans, why didn't the astronauts look washed out by that same glow? Why wasn't the ground around them shining like a giant cosmic flashlight? Instead, everything looks muted, flat, almost like the lighting didn't match the story we were told. And when you compare that to what we see from Earth, this lighthouse in the sky, it raises a simple but uncomfortable question. Are we actually seeing the same object in both places? So, just think about how fog lights, street lamps, or even bioluminescent surfaces look from a distance compared to when you're right up close to them. Distance, it really exaggerates the glow. But when you get closer, proximity actually reveals all the texture. Now just picture applying that same logic to the moon. What if, and hear me out, the brilliance we see from Earth is actually more atmospheric, something happening between us and the light, instead of coming from a dusty rock that's, 250,000 miles away. And the moment you let yourself consider that idea, you start questioning other accepted givens. Like, why did the sky around the astronauts stay pitch black with no stars? Why didn't the shadows match the intensity we'd expect? And, honestly, why does the visual tone feel more like a controlled set than a blazing celestial spotlight?